Hi, my name's Mike Roden. I'm the Director of Sales for Turning Concepts. We are the owners of the patent-pending roll-on, roll-off thread rolling system. And very often when our customers call, it's difficult for people to understand the size of tools as well as the scope of the product. So this happens to be an order that we're preparing for shipment to the Department of Defense, and it shows quite a range of tools. So this is what we call the F01, and you can see the device on the back of it. And this will handle down to the roughly the 5/32 to maybe a 1/4 inch. And there are two tools smaller than that allow us to go to the 080, which is pretty small. This is the F1. This tool will go from a 1/4 inch to roughly 7/16. It's the most popular model. And then this is the F2, which will go from 5/16 to roughly 5/8. This is the F3, which will go from roughly 7/16 up to 15/16. And then the F4 will do from approximately 5/8 up to the 1.25 inches. And then we have one size larger, that is the number 5 size tool, that will get you up to about 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches, depending on the pitch. Now, as far as weights go, the 4 is 30 pounds, the 5 is 70 pounds, the 3 is 9 pounds, the 2 is 6, and then the two smaller ones normally, the weight is immaterial. Now what's most important for you guys that are trying to size the tool to your machine is remember that from the number 2 size and smaller, you can normally index them on a 2500 size frame CNC lathe. These two tools normally require a 3000 size frame. And this particular tool has been run on a 3000 as well as a larger machine. Now the number 5, excuse me, number 5 requires a machine that has a 2-inch ID boring bar holder, and then the 4 and the other ones are normally sized appropriately for machine tools that have an 1.5-inch ID boring bar as standard. But that gives you kind of the range. Just remember it's a mechanical device, so we've developed it to cover everything from the smallest thread up to a very generous 1 7/8 inches. Now the other comment I'll make for CNC turret lathes is this is a hollow mill, or some of the multi-spindle guys would call it a box turning tool, but it has ISO inserts, and it can be used for different tool or different applications where you have a length of diameter ratio that's 4:1 or greater. Normally not required on a Swiss, very often required on the CNC turret lathes. We have a tool that's matched, and normally with stock delivery, or certainly a week or less. This is our contact information. You can certainly reach us by phone. You can email me at mike@turningconcepts.com, or you can send an inquiry to sales@turningconcepts.com. We have a full staff that's trained on the product, and we would certainly welcome any opportunity to help you build your business. Thank you very much.